How's it going, everybody? Welcome to another episode of Tag Team Cards with me, your host, Tim, otherwise known as Captain Tim Subi. Today, it's just going to be me. Trickercini is putting cards in our inventory. And I'm going to be bringing you a video today on Topps MLB Series 2 2025 edition. That's Mr. Shohei on the cover. I've already done a hanger box video for this. Obviously, you would want something like that. That would be crazy. An autograph. Anything cool. I love my, everybody's gonna go boo boo, but regardless, I love my Diamondbacks and my Astros. My Astros and my Diamondbacks. Love them. Love them. We got this this blaster, at GameStop for $25. $24.99. I just rounded up the cent, sorry. Alright. That's what it looks like. Obviously, when you do the hanger, all the cards are already out. And then with the blaster, you're going to have the packs. With the hanger, you get a pack. It's a clear thing. And you just see all the cards. Okay. Ooh. That's interesting and nice looking. At the same time, why I haven't seen one of these yet. What is this? Huh. It's like a summertime, spring type thing. Is that short? I'll have to look it up. I'm getting back into baseball itself again. I do miss baseball, so I'm getting back into baseball again. Going back the rabbit hole, but I think this is the, hold on a second. I think that's the Summer Superstar. I could be wrong, but I think that's the Summer Superstar. Oh, I'll look it up though. We're gonna put that in the maybe for now. Okay. I like that jersey for some reason. Blue Jays, they just swept the Yankees. Speaking of, I've always loved these. I love baseball as a sport, and I love it with their cards. I just love all the different. Oh, there we go. I don't know who that was before I even. Yeah, that's going to my PC for sure. Let's see what the New York Mets is. That's cool. Oops, I don't care about that. Well, I mean, I do care, but I'm gonna PC that. I know it's just a base, but I like Mr. Ohtani. Followed him since the Angels. He's the GOAT, man. I don't care what anyone says. No one else should be arguing that right against that right now. Michael Harris, Royce Lewis. We'll put those as maybes. There's nothing like really special about them, but you never know. There's always something special to somebody. Is that Bichette? Yep. McCann. Oh, you know what I just realized? I thought I saw that. No, I thought I was going crazy. Hold on. Oh, no, that's what it was. I was like, I didn't see that, and I thought I was going crazy. Okay, so that's the first rookie in the box. That is the first rookie in the box. That is the first rookie. Ben Joyce, Isbell, The Nationals looks sort of like a reddish one. Got Merrifield of the Braves. My brother loves that team. Spale. Okay, and this looks like a bunch of backwards. Ooh, well, that's one of mine then. Oh, two of mine. Diamondbacks. Ooh, that's a nice silver rookie for Baker. These two are nice as well. What do you do if you get like a Shohei Ohtani lumber card? I don't think. Well, I don't even know if there is one. If there was, I'd just be like, if I got that, I'd just be like, okay, well, I guess for baseball, there's nothing that's left for me to pull. Yeah, that's got to be summertime. Okay, so it is summertime. So what I'm gonna do? It's still a maybe to me for him. But I will, for the Rays guy, sleeve his because his is a rookie. So it's pretty cool to say you have a summertime parallel rookie, you know what I mean? As a player. Perez for the Marlins? Yeah. White Sox, man, the White Sox just love. I have so many White Sox cards in my personal collection at home. I'm at home, but back in Arizona. Rookie card for Mariners. It's for my Diamondbacks. The Athletics. Ooh, that's a nice Guerrero. That's a nice Guerrero. I like that. We're going to go backwards real quick. Ooh, it's a Mookie. But let's, I actually sort of want to sleeve that. I know it's just a regular insert, but I don't know. Just something tells me this is a nice insert. Very classy, I feel. I'd call that a hit. Oh, Trader. And Mookie. Look at this Trader. Trader. He went where he was going to get paid. He went where he was going to get paid. You can't blame him. Can't blame him. I do the same. Okay. Diaz. Gallon, pitcher for the Diamondbacks. Gorman. Is that? Yeah, Kloffenstein, the rookie for the Blue Jays. Barnes, catcher for the Dodgers. Because some of these are hard for me to read. I forgot my glasses. I'm old, guys. Alright. Ooh, got some shiny. You know, I'll take it. I'll take it. I'll take it. What's the other one? Oh, okay. Okay. Okay, for both of these. I don't know, not doing the greatest though, I feel, at the moment, but hey. This is basically, it basically is gambling in a sense. It's not a guarantee, nothing is. You can walk away with absolutely nothing that you want to keep. At all. And then you can also walk away with something that you don't have anything you want to keep and no one wants to buy any of the others from you. PC stuff. Ooh. Thought that was somebody else for a second. Okay. I'll just put that there. Austin Wells for the Yankees. Chase McCormick. Or, sorry, I said Chase. Chaz. Keep doing that with him. Yeah, it's McCormick. Luke Raley. It's a great picture, though, man. He is going for that ball. Going for it, guys. Rookie for Hellman of the Cardinals. Rookie for Sagano of the Orioles. Sosa for the White Sox. I'm telling you, man, that's fucking... Pardon my language. Freaking... White Sox just want to come home to me all the time for some reason. I don't get what it is. Never have understood it. Oh, hey. Kim. It's a good rookie to get. Put that right here for a second. Hunter Renfroe. Yeah, I remember you, dude. I remember you. Langford. The heck? Ortiz. Big Poppy. Big Poppy. I'll do Kim just because I gotta look up his stats here in a minute. Hold on. For this year. I gotta look up his stats for this year. Dodgers have a habit of, though, they're drafting some crazy out of country talent, man. And they're hitting on it too. There you go. Recheck. Dominic Fletcher. Oh, that's actually a sick jersey. That's a sick jersey for the White Sox. Oh, which one's this? Is this future? Yep. I think those. I haven't seen one of those in a while. I used to get a lot of those in the older. What, 2 years ago? So that's 2023? It was either 2 years ago or last year. I was pulling a lot of future stars. Okay, we got a rookie. Contreras. McDonald rookie. It's a Cole Jackson. And Riley Green. Interesting. It's interesting that they broke up where the inserts were. The inserts technically were. I remember future stars being rookies. Maybe I'm crazy. I do like this product, though. Might get it one more time. Do a video with a couple of them. Do a video with a couple blasters. Kyle Tucker, man. What is, for those of you watching, who's your favorite rookie from this class? I don't really have one yet. I gotta learn a lot of them. Still. Smith. Ooh. I was gonna say, if that was Spencer. George Kirby. That's cool. Duke Ellis. Okay, so Spencer Strider of the Braves. Pretty sure it's Atlanta. Watch it not be Atlanta. I mean, I was like, what's the chance that that happens? Would be like 1,000,000% for me. And this is the last card right here, guys. Summer Superstars. Freddie Freeman. Freddie freaking Freeman, man. These are the summer superstars. Okay, so we got one of them. Give me a second, because now I'm confused as to what... Okay, before we end this video. We got a summer superstar. I wish they had it on here. It is a summer thing, though. It's like, I'm pretty positive. Regardless, didn't do the greatest on this one. Not one bit. Not one bit. But that happens, guys. It really does. With that being said, we're getting faster and faster on that road to 51. Once we hit 51 subscribers, I'm going to be dropping a video with instructions on how one of you can win this Panini Prism Action Shot rookie card, Caitlin Clark. Very long title right there. But regardless, 51 subscribers and you will be the owner of this new card potentially. So keep a lookout for that. Drop a subscribe. Drop a like on the video. If you enjoyed what you were watching, let me know what you think. I'm thinking I'm going to possibly do one more video for this where I open 4 blasters of this. I'm thinking that's what I'm going to do. But we'll see. You guys let me know if you think that would be a good idea. Might have already done it by this point, but regardless, I think that's what I'm going to end up doing. And then we'll see if we open any more of it. But yeah, you guys take care and stay safe. And let's actually see, 1 second before I forget, what did you think, Bob?
Grade A ground beat, meaning we dropped it on the ground.
Yep, like I thought / said. Not the greatest today. It happens, though. You guys stay safe and take care, and we will see you the next time. And as always, remember to rip responsibly.